Welcome. We all know that the traditional techniques of assessments do not work anymore. Today's learners are craving variety and engagement in everything they do. So how can we make our performance assessments more innovative? Let's learn 5 techniques to do that today. 1. Simulation and role plays, which allow learners to demonstrate their skills and decision-making abilities in a safe environment. 2. Project-based assessments, which enable learners to apply their knowledge to complete a specific task and showcase their skills. 3. On-the-job observations, which allows supervisors to directly observe learners performing their duties and provide feedback. 4. Competency-based assessments focus on specific skills or behaviors required for a learner's success in a particular role. 5. Data analytics, which analyzes performance data like sales figures, customer satisfaction ratings, productivity, etc. As we wrap up, make sure to try all of these 5 techniques before choosing the one that complements your courses the most. Happy learning! If you are not already subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe icon right now so you don't miss anything in the future.